Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about Jamaican and Jevaughn. One of them from Franklin Town, now deceased. The other one, maybe a youth, most wanted. Before I'm going further, we have a Patreon birthday shout out to none other than Roofs. Now, Roofs is actually a military man. He's about to deploy, right? I mean, say, I'm soon set off, right, on a little operation. So, Roofs, big up yourself, right? Hope you enjoy the birthday. Wherever you go, I know you go still, but wherever you go, right, make it back in a one piece, brother. Right? Remember, keep your neck on a swivel, right? Make sure, say, when you reach back, you send a message, and we can laugh and talk about it, see? So, Roofs, big up yourself, right? More life, more health, more wealth. You got the whole Patreon squad. We can move into the video. Jevaughn, Jeminson, Jamaican youth, Irish youth, killed in New York. Might have seen the news, international news. He's an Irish man because them catch it on video, right? That's why the story kinda, blew up, because then the shooting was caught on camera and it's really grimy. This youth, Jevaughn, aka Blingers, left Ironman and with himself caught up with some people where, as you can see, based on the ending, wrong crowd. Definitely the wrong crowd. You see, Blingers is his mother only child. One youth she have. She try until she managed to take him up from Ironman and have him in Florida. So originally, when him drop at Uncle Sam place, him there Florida. You know, he got already, best we give him a better chance of life. Like him dropping at Uncle Sam place. Look like a day so, Blingers go start for the foolishness, even worse than Ironman. In hindsight, look like a better him did stay in Ironman. Of course, nobody could know that at the time. He may have left Florida, gone to New York, and that's so things get really, really bad. I'm going to show you the video, the part when we can show you the moments leading up to Blingers losing his life. So you're going to see Blingers talk to some news, and just have an idea of how going. The big body youth them in the hoodie, with the hoodie them on their head, them and Blingers, right, in an argument. Blingers in the red or burgundy looking tracksuit thing, and the youth side in the grey sweatshirt top and Blingers spreading. Right. So when I will see the moments leading up to Blingers losing his life. Right. So check this out. Now the New York Post has the full story, right? If you want to know about, just that shooting part of it, but I give you the Ironman background part of it, right? Let me say the search for him name, Jevaughn, Jeminson, right? The youth in the grey long sleeve is with Blingers, as we say. I'm actually strapped to. I guess it was supposed to be some kind of backup or security or whatever. But them stand up outside of one club, right? They might try to go into the club. When I try to go into them club here, them normally tuck, right? Them weapons deep in them pants, right? Oftentimes, so deep they can't get it out quickly enough, right? You see how me see it? If me have to tuck, right, my weapon under my seat bag, if you go somewhere, me nah go. There's no party that nice. When me have to go tuck weapon under seat bag to the point to take me 30 seconds to take it out. That's way too long. Way too long. In this game, you only have seconds. Right. So the big build youth where you see, right, a square up to Blingers and in bridging, right, and them are the quote unquote ops. This youth was clearly hostile from the start. As me I watch the video, I could tell you say the youth they got the Blingers something. Right. In body language, everything about him. When you see 87 at that little vulture movement there, Or two of them, you know, you see the next one walk off and you see the 87 or the youth of the day. Because let's say at the time, blingers don't know, right, what the youth capable of. Just look on the body language. You see that little vulture movement, the circling around. Right. They're looking for opportunity to strike. Him start talk to you face to face, him start move left, start move right. All him want is to take it my fine for 1 second. 1 second. Right. Then him can hit you up. Right. Notice blingers bridging, right? Start pick up the rake, step off one side, and then him start to try untuck. Let me say. Yeah, them outside one club. Matic stuck way up on the steel bag. Right. By the time they try tuck or reach for, reach down in 9 pants, the youth start hit up. Blingers. Everybody start to look at themselves. It's too late. The moment the confrontation starts, right? The moment the youth starts to screw up and you see him in his pocket, a circle around that vulture movement then. Right away. You have to know what time it is. Yeah. This show me said youth them do the killing, them are more senior 87s, right? Them in this foolishness much longer than blingers them. Because certain cues them should have pick up on. Blingers still stand up there. Youth, by the time you go step one side and start, it's too late. In that situation, it's fight or flight. If you go fight, you're gonna start reach for no weapon. Right? We don't get into it when time youth have female in their pocket, right? Clutch one already. And if I flight, take off like Shelly out of the blocks. That's it. Fight or flight. That situation, 87 circle like a vulture and in a pocket. Body language look very hostile. Right? Look like you can come for do something. Fight or flight. Right? And after the youth shoot blingers, run off and go drop around the corner. Right? The youth go around there, go finish him off and they go. Right? PH shot him get. That's not how a Irie youth who leave Irie man to go foreign for a better life supposed to go out. But the man come to him in an argument because the youth them a blingers apart with, right? And him in a beef. So then catch up on blingers now. Right? You know them way there. Now the boy that don't there so. Right? Well, assuming he could be a Irie man himself, I don't know who the shooter is. Right? But he could be a Irie man, could be a Yankee. Yeah, man, I look a weird style about it. Yo, isn't that his man's down there? That's his man's. That's his man's. Let's go see what he's saying. That's his man's. Right. So I'm not really like New York, because New York man have some local slang way. Right. It's weird. Right. I introduce man as them mans. Yeah, this is my man's. Right. So the man them, right, kill blingers. Let me say, you there Franklin town, his mother only child, got foreign, find himself in the wrong crowd, messing with the wrong people who them head no good. When if you understand, say Uncle Sam 87 them, when only go certain place in that Uncle Sam country, right? When you go in what they call the hood and them place, no one do. Right. Don't think say you walk on foreign style. Right. Nothing sweet. Yeah, Yankee boy they would kill you fast. As me say, I don't know if it's an Iron Man shoot him. Could be. But regardless, this message don't apply to blingers. Right. Them Yankee boy they will kill you fast. Right. But the thing say, right, they must man a foreign man, so them go easy. You see the youth, him not even master him face. Even the hoodie on him, they can't still see him. And him probably knows a camera there, and him still to the shooting. Right. Certain places in America, right, you have to know what you do. Right. So let me say, his mother's only child, dead and gone, foolishness. Complete foolishness. I don't even know if she know who my power is and when he get himself involved in a New York. But if we not go left Irie man, go Uncle Sam place, go Canada, go UK, go Cayman. If we not go there, go sound a part bad man a link with gunman and dep and your badness lifestyle, but I'm stay here, man. And make somebody we want maximize the opportunity, go on. Right. I wish people could just hand over them visa and them papers and say, you know what, you take it and go on, cause the amount of youth so want better themselves. And man we get chance to go foreign. I go foreign go part, but we can't left Iron Man go foreign go part gunman. Iron Man now so much if me want part gunman, me not Spanish town. If me want part gunman, me just part the man in my Spanish town. Part the man in my South St. Andrew just start link with some man from Mummy. Me can't left Iron Man go foreign but me a roll it gunman. I mean I come from a country where top 5 murder rate every year. If that's your intention, if a badness you don't want pre, then say link clans. Right. Link if you have visa and passport, give your passport and your visa. Right? I don't even know if I can do that, but I wish you could. They could say, see my passport, see my visa, you go on a foreign, go better yourself, and me go part clans. Cause I gunman more important. Crazy. Anyway, let me talk about the youth named Jamaican briefly, aka Gio. Now, this is a youth who he has some 87 who just fly up on the scene and quickly just shoot to the top of the acidic tree. Might be a youth. They might catch him at flankers. Speaking about flankers, the place tense. This youth carried out a number of shootings just recently. Him do a shooting on a ball field. Straight shot fly all about the place. As a matter of fact, straight shot reach as far as Burt Barracks. So I know that guy already. Look like 7 times them meet a taste the badness and get addicted like a junkie. And them just want more and more. Right? Because it's a base for now fast. This youth fly up. Right, the acidic list. At that one, shooting after shooting. Right? Reputation start to grow. Went from a normal youth, right, where them used to send go buy food. You know, they meet them in the community and say, go and go buy this and go and go buy it. They could send out youth. Right, he went from that, right, to field 87, right, to right now, he my top persons of interest list, wanted man list. Police are look for him hard. When I understand, say right now, flankers is tense. Flankers is spooky, because since your favorite artist come back, everybody look for see what's the next move. Right. Remember, say not much has changed on the ground. When you see how things is quiet, right, for a very long time, now people that watch for see if man ever come back and start say things have to be as they were, or this is how things have to be now, right. And that can trigger something. Remember, it's not like say all of the flankers man them right, go and go turn Muslim or go and go turn Buddhist and like that and I live in a one temple I meditate. I'm still active. We have to have a close eye on it still. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, I don't know, more like Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.